Hey babes, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, what am I doing today? Oh my god, it's late you guys, I can't even think anymore. We're going to be reviewing this Natasha Denona bronze palette, which I have to say, initially I was not going to buy. Yeah, we're gonna mix it up just a little bit, so if you want to go straight through and see this eye look, I will have a timestamp for you guys. But if you guys want to see the specs and swatches and all that good stuff, I will have timestamps for those as well. Alright you guys, so as we all know, Natasha Denona usually has super expensive palettes, and even when she comes out with her smaller palettes, they tend to be on the pricey side. So I was completely surprised when Natasha Denona dropped this palette that is $65, and with this palette you get 20 shades, and there is a combination of different finishes in this palette, and of course we're going to talk about them. According to the Sephora website, it says this Natasha Denona palette has a range of formulas and textures from sultry cream powder mattes to vibrant duochromes, metallics, and shimmers. This palette creates a variety of looks. It's the perfect complement to your summer glow, flattering every skin tone and texture. This palette has a great range of finishes, and like the description indicated, this is a palette that is supposed to be from day all the way till night, so cover every type of look that you would like to do. Alright, so next thing we're going to do is go ahead and take a look at some swatches and go through the colors, the names, and the finishes. Alright guys, so I did go ahead and swatch this palette from left to right, starting with the top color called True Copper. First color is called True Copper, and it's a warm copper. This has a metallic finish. The next color is Sutan, and this is a warm medium brown, and this is a cream powder matte. Next color is Sundown. This is a medium light yellow brown. This also has a cream powder matte finish. Next color we have is Deep Dive. This is a deep brown eggplant. This one has a shimmer finish. The next color we have is Rhodium. This is a medium warm purple with silver reflex. This has the finish of a shimmer. Next we have Magma. This is a medium dark umber. This is a cream powder matte. Next color we have is High Degree. This is a red copper and has the finish of a shimmer. Next we have Alloy, which is a vibrant bronze with golden reflex. This one is a metallic. Next color we have is Ridge. This is a medium warm mustard. The finish is a cream powder matte. Next we have True Bronze, and this is described as a foil bronze. This one has a metallic finish. Next we have Gloaming, which is a burnt umber with light bronze reflex. This one is a vibrant duochrome. Next we have Palladium. This is a warm pinkish taupe. This one has the finish of a metallic. Next we have Bliss. This is a red pink with golden green reflex. This has the finish of a duochrome. Next we have the color Silk. This is a foiled rich champagne. This has a metallic finish. And the last color in here is called Beach. This is a warm nude, and this has a cream powder matte finish. Alright you guys, so those are all the swatches, and hopefully I guessed all of the finishes correctly. So yeah you guys, so when I was swatching this palette, the swatches were very rich and creamy, and every metallic, shimmer, and duochrome in this palette was extremely pigmented as well, and it did not take much for me to swatch them. Now with the mattes in here, I thought the formulation on the mattes were amazing as well. When I think about this palette and the price point of Natasha Denona, in the back of my mind I was comparing it to the Pat McGrath mattes. All it took was one dip into her shadows and placement on my eye to get the pigmentation to show up. I definitely found that when I was doing the more nude shades in here, I had to actually go back and forth into the product. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this eye look using the Natasha Denona bronze palette, then yeah, stay tuned because we're finna get into it right now. Alright guys, so here are my eyes. Hope you guys like them. I love it. I love it. So, oh my god, and it's late, you guys. I'm filming this video so late. Let me take a sip of my coffee. Okay. So, we're gonna go ahead. You guys already know the drill. Go ahead, throw on my lashes, mascara, and finish the rest of my face. And of course, we're gonna come back and wrap up this video. All right, babes, so we are back, and here is the final look with the whole face beat, slayed, okay, like everything. She is everything at this present moment. Honestly, if it wasn't 1 o'clock in the morning right now of me filming this video, I would be trying to hurry up and go somewhere and be outside just so somebody could see this face, because this eye look, these eyeshadows, like, they delivered 100%. I am so impressed. When I initially saw this palette, honestly, I thought it was just super basic. I'm like, okay, another bronze palette. We see them all the time. Like, what really is going to set you apart other than the formula? Because that's all we really have to judge it on. But the thing is, I am not convinced enough to purchase any of her higher price palettes. And you guys know what the ones I'm talking about, the ones that are like $130, basically like Pat McGrath prices. Because when I look at them and when I feel them and I touch them, I'm just like, okay, they're great quality, but I definitely believe this bronze palette is an excellent price point. Looking at this palette, if it was $130, I wouldn't have bought it. I mean, y'all would have never got this review. Okay, this review would not exist if this palette was $130. But babes, let me tell you something. This is a great palette to have in your collection for everyday wear. She kept that same energy that she puts into that $130 palette into this $65 palette, and I love that. With that being said, this palette is definitely a go. So go ahead, pick up one. You guys already know the Sephora's are back open, so we ain't gotta order everything online no more. We can actually go to a store and see if they got it, because look, I'm tired of ordering makeup online. So yeah, you guys, please make sure you go ahead and thumbs up this video so I know that you enjoyed this content, and of course go ahead and subscribe for me as well. So yeah, you guys, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you later this week for another video. Bye guys.